Another amazing find here. In Lauttasaari, Helsinki has horse losing on the Finland, and this is Taivaanvuohentie. Vägen was the name, the number 4.
Yes.
4, sticky say, we'll go to 6B soon also. It was built in 1966. This is the second floor actually.
Yeah.
Turned 55 years old in last year, 2021. The number is 13771. We'll be expecting in 2024. This has 2 rights.
Yeah.
And the 5th floor button is a spare part.
Yeah.
Check the call button here.
Yeah.
We can go from here also.
Yeah.
Because we can start from here.
Mm.
In the steps. So, second ride.
Inspektiitpaakin vai pitää meitä bautissa sanoa Scraftista.
It is really strange that it's not like K1, 3, 2, 3, 4 here, because the
Yeah.
first floor is the basement floor here.
Yeah.
Oh, that's weird. Or Thank you very much for watching.
That's